Dear ladies and gentlemen, welcome to External Star channel. My name is Marek, as you already know, and today I will be unboxing, reviewing and also rating content of this AUTOart box. It just came in and I can tell you already now that I used a discount and paid only about 60 euro for an AUTOart, and I think this is officially the cheapest AUTOart model on the market you can buy at the moment. Maybe it's already sold out, but now you want to know what it is. It's Nissan Juke 2.0 from AUTOart in 1:18 scale. Just wait for the color. You probably already know it because you saw the thumbnail of this video, and this is why you clicked on that actually. So let's go and unbox it first. Nice styrofoam box. Let's take it out. Yeah, and what do we have here? We have this door opening tool on the top. We have also a manual saying how to unscrew the screws. Yeah, so actually there are two screws here and you can see them now. And what I will do, of course, I will remove them. Of course I will. Okay, so now for the first time in history, look at the color. Whoa, is it red? Something like red or a little bit of orange. Yeah, I love this color. They also have different colors, but I chose this one. It looks so fancy, and actually you immediately realize that this is an AUTOart model. Yeah, the shot lines, everything. It looks so precise, so precise. So now I think it's time to really remove it out of this box completely. Okay, so what I will do now is I will just turn it upside down. Oh, there's actually an antenna, so I'm not sure that I will do that this time. I'm a little bit afraid that if I do it, then the antenna will be broken, and I don't want to do that. So, okay, here we go. And the model is actually so lightweight that I was able to hold it with my hand. Just one hand was enough. Okay, so cool. Let me now also put this aside. Yeah, we don't need the screws anymore. And all right, so this beautiful, I must say, wow, it's so shiny, and so nice. Yeah, so look at that model. It's really awesome. And for this price, I said again, 50 or 60 euro, fantastic price. So let's now check it out why the price was so low. Yeah, so I will now review it. Okay, so now let's check it out in the front. Yeah, so this Juke R 2.0, and when you are seeing now this, look at those all perforated grills. Nice perforation here. Wow, really detailed. Yeah, so now let me use this tool to show you here. So it's perforated here, quite everywhere. Yeah, now nice also headlights. Look at how shiny here they are. And this Nissan logo, okay, all good. We have also some carbon fiber here on those vents or air intakes, also very nice feature. Yeah, so this looks fantastic. I mean, the front is really cool. I love it. What about the wheels? Of course, they spin, they turn. Look at this Nissan brake caliper. The brake disc is there as well with nice perforated dots. This is nice. And there is a Nissan logo in the middle of the wheel. We have also 5 screws. Okay, so very good in the back. Actually, the same features, exactly the same. Nice yellow or maybe orange brake caliper. I'm colorblind, so my apologies. Good. So then what is really interesting on this one is here this R, yeah, means sporty, a little bit sportier, and here we have those 2 wings. Yeah, it's separated, so it's not one, we have 2. Such an unusual feature on a sports car to have 2 separate wings here on the top of this rear window. Okay, so that's quite nice. Yeah, also Juke R here, Nissan, and Juke R 2.0 on the license plate in the back and in the front. Yeah, and actually the tail lights, they also look quite detailed. Yeah, so very nice. Then we have here, and let me use this tool. We have here also the gas door, which cannot be opened, unfortunately, which now is leading me to another thing. Let's do and open everything. But before we do that, let's also check the undercarriage. Wow, unexpected, because on most AUTOart models, this is completely flat. But here we have some details. We have the nice exhaust, and we have here the suspension or some, yeah, really some details. So let's see also now what can we do with the model. And I must be honest now with you. One of the reasons why it was cheaper and people didn't buy it was that you can't open the hood here. Yeah? So whatever you try, how many attempts you do, no, it will not open. Yeah? So under the hood you will not able to see it. Yeah? So AUTOart models, but here it's sealed. Oh, why? That's the question, and nobody has the answer apart from the producers, but I haven't asked them personally, so no, I don't know. Maybe they said it's such a small model, maybe, yeah, so small pieces, so here we will just keep it sealed. Nobody is really interested into that, but I am actually, and I would pay maybe even more if this feature would be available. Same issue in the back. So now, is this a fully sealed car? Yes or no? And maybe let's use this. No, really, I can't open it. I can't. And this is frustrating. But this is why it was discounted. Yeah, so that's probably the main reason. This is how I see it, man. Maybe you can tell me a different opinion and just let me know in the comments. But I think this one was discounted because you can't open anything apart from the front doors. Yeah? So at least something, at least this. Yeah? So this one and actually also this one. And that's it. Forget about anything else. Also here, if you attempt to open the rear door, no, it will not open. Jesus Christ. Who made this? AUTOart. I already know that. Okay, so let me now display here the doors, the door panels, very nice, with a speaker and door handle. By the way, now look at the mirror. Yeah, so the side mirrors, very nice. There is probably a sticker. Yeah, it's nice. And then inside, you see here some weird things like the frame for the sports cars. It's inside. Yeah, so it's extra durable in case you will be driving this one and doing some rally or sports tournaments. Then we have this extra frame here for extra durability. In case it crashes, it will not collapse completely. Yeah, so that's good. What about here? The seats, front seats, Juke R, Recaro, Nissan. Yeah, so all the different signs I like here. Also the seat belts, 5 points seat belts. Okay, and in the back, unfortunately, it's very difficult to show you that there is nothing. Yeah, so probably no passengers. This is not a typical passenger car. This is really a racing special, and this is also the reason why we have some of the features. Also, when I close it, then we have also here the carbon fiber footstep. Yeah, so probably nobody will ever step on that, but there is a little bit of carbon fiber there. Okay, and let me also show it to you from this angle. So driver seat, the passenger seat on the right side. There seems to be a manual transmission. Okay, I'm not sure. It's barely visible. And then the middle. Oh, let me now just focus the camera a little bit here. I will lock the focus. Okay, and now, it unlocked again. Good, so now you see it. Now you see it. There's also a bit of carpeting, yeah, so not so bad. And a little magnet here, which is helping to keep the doors closed. All right, so that's probably, that's it, yeah. So there is nothing else to say. Overall, I will just now return to my regular seat. What I will do now, what I will do next, I will of course upload this video, I will edit it, upload it to my archive, so please make sure you also check my YouTube channel, you subscribe and you browse my archives to see all the models. And I don't know, yeah, so what to do with this model? I bought it because it was cheap, and now the question is, will I keep it or not? And sometimes I need a little bit more time, yeah? So I need maybe a few months, then I will decide. At the moment, I like it. I like the color. It's really shiny, polished. I like the details. So from outside, it really looks 100% correct. Nice, really nice. But then, yeah, who is collecting such small cars, racing cars? I'm not sure if this would fit into my collection. So I really need to really think about it, and then I will decide what to do with it later. But there is no rush, really. I can keep it in my archive of models for a year or two, and then I can make a decision later. So thank you guys for watching this amazing video, and see you next time. Bye bye.